सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट में बदलाव को लेकर दायर की गई अर्जी खारिज कर दी। ये अर्जी जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट में नाबालिग की उम्र सीमा 18 से 16 साल तक करने को लेकर दायर की गई थी। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के इस फैसले के बाद ये साफ हो गया है कि अब संगीन अपराधों में भी नाबालिग की उम्र सीमा 18 ही रहेगी।
Well, the judgment will not have any bearing on the order of Juvenile Justice Board, because Juvenile Justice Board is going to decide this case entirely based on the provisions of the JJ Act. The Supreme Court, the Honorable Supreme Court, has given this judgment only upholding the definition of a child and also upholding the provisions of the JJ Act. Juvenile Justice Act, Care and Protection 2000, this act provides under section 2K and L. Section 2K and L defines the children, defines the juveniles, and that definition has been upheld in the first place. Secondly, the petitions that were filed, the petitions filed by various petitioners, 8 of them, they have been dismissed, and the court has accepted the validity of the Juvenile Justice Act provisions and also the validity of the 18 years, which is the age of the child. And I would like to clarify further that 18 is the standard age of child. We have submitted, in fact, I appeared personally in this Honorable Supreme Court of India, and I gave a long account of how 18 is the age of child, not today, but for the past 136 years. In fact, in the oldest of laws, we have got provisions of 18 years. And 18 is the age when a child becomes an adult. He acquires right to vote, right to drive, right to marry, right to legal action.
दिल्ली गैंग रेप की घटना के बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट में बदलाव को लेकर अर्जी दायर कर किशोरों की उम्र सीमा 18 से घटाकर 16 करने की जोरदार मांग उठी थी। इस बारे में न्यायमूर्ति अल्तमश कबीर की अध्यक्षता वाली पीठ ने बीते दिनों फैसला सुरक्षित रख लिया था। न्यूज़ पॉइंट ब्यूरो।